Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrappittarius on YouTube. I have a penpal letter to share with you today. This went out very recently to Prerana in the UK and it arrived really quickly. I think it arrived in like a week. Okay, I must apologize for my voice. We are in the rainy season here in India and my allergies are all over the place. So sorry about that. I will try to speak less, but there are things about this project that I really want to talk to you about. First thing is this is what is also known as a potuckelope. I think that's kind of like a fun word, fun name for it. The real name would be a pentagon pocket, and I have drawn inspiration from this mail which came to me as part of a craft club swap. This came to me from Emma in the UK. She is Emma Lou Loves on YouTube, and she made me this potuckelope. And though I knew how to make this earlier, I have seen this used in the junk journal world. I hadn't seen a pen pal letter or a mail made with this, and so once I saw this, and then I went on a bit of a spree. I think I made 3 of these. You're gonna see another one very soon, which was part of a color challenge. Anyway, so I'm showing you my letter to Prerana. I've already sealed it, and that sits in a glassine pocket at the back, and then there's this large pocket in front which is stuffed with all sorts of things. I made this shaker for her. I did not use a magnet behind it because I don't use magnets in my mails lest the scanners are set off. But yeah, that could work as a print magnet. And okay, so the goodies: letter paper, some memo sheets. This is a painting, which is, it's a sticker but it's art, and some ephemera, wax seals. This was I'm only like starting out with wax seals now, so it takes me a while to figure out how to get the right color. Okay, so I cut a taller glassine bag, and I also got this pocket out of it, the tiny pocket that you see here. Yep, that one. So that can hold the teeny tiny goodies. Okay, they all sit there in that large pocket, and I've used a few die cuts to decorate the front. There's an envelope there. I've used bits of this pineapple paper to decorate the inside. I'm not sure it's visible here, but yeah. And tiny gold doily, and then that's where the letter goes. Well, I think by now you can tell I was really fond of this project. I'm really glad it reached safely. It would have broken my heart if this were lost. I used a plastic envelope. I usually don't do that, but this time I did because it's raining and I didn't want to risk water damage. One thing I wish I had done differently is see how M has sliced the pockets to where you can see the goodies, they can peek out. I missed this step. So my pockets are kind of flush with the top, so you really have to struggle to get the things out, the goodies out. Yeah, I just did it differently the next time I did a similar pocket. I have the new the mini envelope punch board, and I love sending these teeny tiny envelope templates to my pen pals. This pocket works out really well if you have double-sided paper. It's one of those projects you want to use your double-sided paper for. I didn't have something that I wanted to work with just at the moment, and like you see here, M has used coloring on the white side. I actually backed it with cardstock. Okay, so that's for this project. I'm going to show you that one after Tessa has received it. And thank you so much for joining. Really appreciate it. Please give my channel a subscribe and this video a like if you like my content. I have a lot more of videos coming up. There's a whole lot of footage that I have to edit. All right, thank you. Bye bye.